Yo, what's good? It's your girl Raw Vibes here with the dancehall move of the week. So today's move is an absolute must know. It's called the Willy Bumps by none other than Fada Bogo. Check it out.
So when them a say, dance will never die. Out and bad, so badly bad, it a get intensified. I see the kids them in the street, and the big man them a practice the beat. All know bubble pass and calm, we still a make them know him dancing the bars. Everybody jump to the bounce, Willy Bumps. Everybody fear do the Willy Bumps. To the bounce, Willy Bumps. Everybody fear do bubble bumps. To the bounce, Willy Bumps. Everybody fear do the Willy Bumps. To the bounce, Willy Bumps. Everybody fear do the Willy Bumps. Alright.
Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is have your arms crossing your body. Okay, right goes to the left side, left goes to the right side. You can have your hands open, you can have them in a fist, you can just kind of have them chill. If you want to add a little swag, you can kind of just wiggle your fingers like this. But whatever you want to do to make it your own, do that, okay? The second part of it is you have your legs extending to each side. So when I cross my right arm to the left, at the same time, my right foot goes out and kind of just taps on my heel, okay? And then the same thing on the left side. So when you bring it out, you tap your foot. And notice also my arms kind of just hit, all right? Now let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it's a pretty simple move, but where the fun comes is adding your own swag, your own style, and just kind of remixing it and making it really flary, okay? So, one thing that you can do is doubling up the Willy Bumps, all right? Now, how you do that, when you step out with your right, then you step out with your left, and then when you're going to do the next right one, instead of just leaving it there, you want to bring your arm down and then just kind of make your hands move in a circular motion. Almost as if you're playing double dutch, if you've ever played that before. So you just boom, 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 okay? And then you can go back into the Willy Bumps. So slowly what that looks like, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and double, hit. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and double, 7, 8. Got it? Let's try with some music. 1, 6, 7, 8.
Everybody fear do the Willy Bumps. Everybody fear do the Willy Bumps. Willy Bumps. Everybody fear do the Willy Bumps. Willy Bumps. Willy Bumps. Everybody fear do the Willy Bumps. Alright, bring your hand them, go like a man. Then the double, out and back. Look left, look right, bring your hand like a man. Then the double, out and back. Do the like me dancing guy. Then the double, out and back. Walk with it, make up your face like you get robbed. Then the double, out.
So badly bad. That was Willy Bumps by Bogo. So next time in your party, hit your Willy Bumps, ayy, Willy Bumps, ayy, Willy Bumps, ayy. Yes, awesome job. I know you killed it. And remember, practice makes progress. Once again, I'm Raw Vibes. Thanks for tuning in and make sure to subscribe, follow me on social media, and sign up for my newsletter at rawvibes.com for more dance tutorials. Peace!